In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the same text into multiple Google Sheets cells, a time-saving tip for 2025. Let's dive right in. To start off, make sure you have your Google Sheets file open. If you haven't created one yet, go ahead and do that now. With your spreadsheet on the screen, look towards the upper menu bar and click on Extensions. This is where you'll find various add-ons and tools that can enhance your Google Sheets experience. Next, you're going to locate and select Power Tools from the drop-down menu. Power Tools is a valuable add-on that simplifies complex tasks into a few straightforward steps. Once you click on it, a sidebar will appear on the right side. Here, you need to click on Start to initialize the tools. You'll notice an array of options within Power Tools, but for this task, we're focusing on modifying the contents of cells efficiently. Now, with Power Tools ready, go ahead and highlight the cells you want to modify. In this example, we'll use cells B1 to B6, but feel free to select any range you'd like to apply this method to. Once your cells are highlighted, you'll see a field at the bottom labeled Add the following text in the selected cells. This is where the magic happens. Type an opening parenthesis in this field. This is the text we'll first be adding to our selected cells. After typing the opening parenthesis, look for a button labeled At the Beginning within the Power Tools sidebar. Click on it. This setting ensures that the parenthesis appears right at the start of the existing text in each of the selected cells. Following this, don't forget to hit Add to implement the change. Having added the opening parenthesis, let's move on to adding content after the existing text. Return to the same text field where you previously typed in the parenthesis. This time, type a closing parenthesis. Beneath the text input field, you'll see an option that says After Text 111. Click on this. It tells Google Sheets to place the closing parenthesis right after whatever text currently exists within our selected cells. Again, click on Add to apply the changes. Finally, the last step. In the same text field, type in a dash. Now, look for an option that says After Text. Selecting this will allow the dash to be inserted immediately after the closing parenthesis in our cells. Once more, don't forget to click Add. And that's it. You've successfully inserted text into multiple cells in Google Sheets, efficiently saving both time and effort. This method is simple yet effective, allowing you to manipulate data with precision. Feel free to explore other functionalities within Power Tools for even more productivity enhancements. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more great tips.